Car jacks are very simple devices manufactured to help lift the vehicle you're working on. They are very strong and don't require much mechanical expertise. There are different models of jacks for trunks on the market. Selecting the best car jacks for trunks among so many models can be difficult. That's where we can help you. You will learn authentic information about the 5 best car jacks for trunks in 2023 on the market in this video. Before we jump into the review, we selected only the most effective car jack for trunk available on the market in 2023. We examined the factors that differentiate a car jack for a trunk from good to great, such as its quality and performance. We didn't include any products that we thought didn't have enough power to carry out the tasks it was intended to do. Number 1. OTC LDJA 2-ton Aluminum Racing Jack. The OTC LDJA 2 aluminum floor jack is reliable and of high quality. It can be used for a lot of different things and is small and light, which makes it perfect for mobile mechanics and off-roaders. It's also important to note that OTC has one of the highest customer satisfaction rates in the business world. This isn't the lightest floor jack on the market, but it's definitely better than steel options. Even though the weight is on the lower end of the range, the 2-ton lifting capacity is enough for any car or small to medium-sized SUV. The padded handle is a nice feature that keeps your car from getting damaged if you accidentally bump it against the body of your car while pumping. And if you're worried that the car will slip off the saddle when you lift it on an uneven surface, you'll be glad to hear that OTC added a rubber pad, which makes the grip between the car and the jack much stronger. And, of course, if you drive a car that isn't too high, you can remove the pad to get a height of only 3.4. Overall, this jack is great for mobile mechanics who work on a wide range of vehicles, track days on the weekends, and people who work on their own cars on the weekends. Number 2. ARB 72x10 Orange Bushranger X Jack Kit. The inflatable Bushranger X Jack from ARB is intentionally created for the trunk, making it appropriate for lifting automobiles on any surface, whether it be mud, snow, or sand. It only weighs 19.8 pounds, and when it is deflated, the entire device is not much bigger than a scissor jack that has been retracted. You can inflate it with either a portable air compressor or the exhaust pipe from your vehicle, and it has the capacity to lift up to 4,400 pounds while only requiring 10 pounds of pressure. The ARB 72x10 Orange Bushranger X Jack Kit is also an excellent choice for use during off-road excursions. This X Jack Kit has a broad footprint, which reduces the amount of sinking that occurs, as well as a triple-layer top and a hardcore insert, which provide additional protection and stability, respectively. The one-of-a-kind inflating system has a two-way connection that enables it to work with either a portable air compressor or the exhaust. In addition to preventing the jack from rolling away, the presence of the hardcore inserts contributes to the increased stability of the structure. It has never been simpler to bring the X Jack along with you everywhere you go thanks to the fact that it comes in 3 different sizes to select from. Because it comes with a warranty that lasts for a whole year, you won't have to worry about it no matter where you go. Number 3. OTC LDJ3 3-ton Service Jack. With the LDJ3, you'll have all the car jacks you need to meet all your needs. It can lift everything from small hatchbacks and big sedans to full-size pickup trucks and SUVs, and it will keep doing that for years. It's easy to use the OTC LDJ3 3-ton Service Jack. It can be used with many different kinds of cars. High-quality materials were used to make it. The clever design of the 2 pumps makes it easy to lift cars that weigh up to 3 tons. For example, it only takes 3 pumps to raise 1,750 pounds to the jack's maximum height of 18.5 inches, and with a minimum height of 5.75 inches, it can fit under most cars, even if they are lowered a bit. It is also small and light, which makes it good for professional mechanics and mobile mechanics. If you're looking for a floor jack that can handle any job or an excellent addition to the floor jacks you already have at your repair shop, this is the best one and you won't regret buying it. Number 4. Torin Big Red T101521 1.5-ton Steel Scissor Jack. This is the right jack for you if you need a reliable one that is cheap, useful, light, and small enough to fit in your car. The Torin Scissor Jack is a basic portable jack, so that's not a secret. Torin is a well-known car jack maker, and even though this model doesn't have all the bells and whistles of the more expensive ones listed below, it's still a good one to keep in your car for emergencies or occasional use without spending a lot of money. Torin is substantially safer than other scissor jacks because its 4.8-inch wide base compensates for its smaller footprint, which affects its stability. This portable car jack is built of strong and long-lasting forged alloy steel but weighs only 7.7 pounds. Folding the handle for optimal storage in the trunk or garage of your vehicle is another crucial function. It can move anything from a little car to a medium SUV because it can lift up to 1.5 tons. At its lowest height, the Torin scissor jack is only 4.13 inches tall, making it suited for low automobiles. It can extend to a maximum height of 15.13 inches, which should be sufficient for average small to medium SUVs or for raising a car high enough to replace motor mounts on the weekend. Number 5. Torin Big Red T91003B 10-ton Bottle Jack. The Torin 91003B hydraulic bottle jack is ideal for those in search of a bottle jack that can handle even the most demanding tasks. This bottle jack has a lifting range of 13.57 inches. Adjustable from 2.25 to 3.5, its 3 3/4 saddle incorporates dual relief valves. This bottle jack is ideal for any workshop or garage. It is quick and simple to use, with an integrated pressure pump that allows for minimal lifting effort. The 1 1/8 cylinder's 3-ton lifting capability and smooth glide action pressure pump make it simple to lift your load. The hydraulically welded steel frame and handle of this bottle jack ensure that it will last for years. A built-in overload valve prevents the hydraulic system from exceeding its capacity. The serrated, heat-treated saddle gives a substantial surface for lifting and a strong grip. This bottle jack has an adjustable screw-top extension, making it the most adaptable bottle jack on the market. The serrated saddle and heat-treated steel provide an abundance of lifting strength. The Big Red T91003B is a durable bottle jack made of superior materials. The construction's reliability makes it excellent for lifting construction equipment. This bottle jack satisfies ASME PASE safety standards and comes with a 1-year limited guarantee from the manufacturer.